Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my slime collection. So I'm going to be doing the biggest to smallest. So yeah, let's get into this video. Yeah. So the first one is this beautiful gem slime. Yeah. Let's just open. So this is it. It's kind of jiggly as well. So yeah, I'll be back to you guys when I got it out of the container because it's super hard to get out. Guys, this is this massive gem slime. It's got gem confettis in it. Like, they're not actually real gems, they're just like glitter gem confetti. It's super pretty. And it's got a scent to it. It's scented slime as well. Let's do some ASMR. This is it, guys. There's how many gems there is. So, if you're quiet. Oh, whoa. Super pretty, but what I don't like is the gems. They don't get... They get on your hands as well. But yeah, let's move to the next slime, yo. I'm doing this video really quick, but who cares? Anyway, so the next slime is this one, detergent slime. The other one was not detergent slime. So yeah, this is it. This is a detergent gem slime. And look how many glitters are in there. That's from a different slime. But this is a detergent slime. It's super pretty. Yeah, so let's do some ASMR. Everyone be quiet. Okay. Wait, let's just... The problem with this slime as well, same as the last slime, gems come out of it. But it's okay, you can just clean them right. On to the next slime. Yo. The next slime is this slime. Let's get it out. I'll be back to you guys when I've got it out. I can't get all of it out, but this is most of it. This is not a detergent slime. Super nice, and it's more like a jelly. It's super cool. Let's do some ASMR. Everyone be quiet. Yeah. This slime does not have any gems in it, but it's super nice and I love it. On to the next slime, yo. This is the second to last one, so this is my coconut mango gel slime. Super nice. Let's do some ASMR. As I said, it's a gel slime. Super pretty. Let's go on to the last slime, the smallest one. I'll go get that. The last slime is this tiny one. Like a little fluffy slime. Got this off of Etsy, and this is it. It's quite hard, it's disgusting. I guess it stretches. I'm just kidding, I did not get this off of Etsy. I got it, this is a store-bought slime. Yeah. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, comment down below, and